Hello everyone, I Dr. Neelaj Deshmukh will demonstrate here how you can use Mandlay for maintaining literature survey and generation of references. This is a Mandlay desktop will look like. Here, uh, these are the paper which I already downloaded or which I already used for my research work. This I can get access from anywhere from the world. Now just take the overlook of this one. When you go at the top, you will find out file, then edit, view, tool, and help. Here again you can have add. Here if you are clicking add, if you can add any documents in your database. Then you can create a different folder here. Here you can see here I have created a different folder here. Rich tube, muffler, control of instability. Let's say I am working. Let's say I am working in 3-4 different areas. So one is acoustic cleaning, another is control of combustion instability, third is muffler, fourth is rich tube. So I can create a different folder here to get the access for particular paper. Then if you come on to the down, you can find out here the filter by authors, filter by authors keyword, author, my tag, filter by publication. Here you can find out different authors name are there, which are the paper I have already used or downloaded. So so if you are maintaining these things with you, you can get the access to any paper at any time. Let's say when I am downloading any paper or when where we need to keep, just go to the tool option is there, where you can find out options, where you will find out the watch folder. So you need to keep one watch folder for your Mandlay desktop or Mandlay database. Now here I have click on a E drive, and further I can have all papers. This is a watch folder. So whenever I am downloading any paper on my PC, I will first store that paper in that particular folder, that is all paper. So you can give any name. So once I have created a watch folder, now paper is downloaded and stored in that watch folder. So here, as I have kept tagged as a watch folder, I need to synchronize the data, and when I'm clicking on the synchronize data, that paper will automatically reflect in your Mandlay database. And once you get that Mandlay database, let's say this paper I have already got here, Prajapati Hiren Deshmukh Neelaj. This paper is there. Now, if you go on a right side, you can see asking whether details are correct. It's saying that because we have downloaded that paper and database already uh, taken that one directly. So it is asking whether data is correct, whether this is a journal paper. So I should first, as this is my paper, I know, but let's say this is paper of someone else. So I will just click on that paper. I will just see whether it is a journal paper. Yes, it's a journal paper. Then I will click on the journal paper. Here you can see different options are there. Books, journal papers, encyclopedia. Different options are there. I know this is a journal article, so I will click on the journal article. Yeah. Then title. Title is correct. Yes. Title is same. Title is appearing. Yes, it's correct. Author Hiren Prajapati Deshmukh. Author is correct. Then journal name is measurement is correct. Year 2019, yes, 19. Then volume, it's 140 volume. Page number, yes, all the data is correct. So if it is correct, then you can simply correct details are correct. Otherwise, otherwise that you need to discuss in your manuscript also. So if you are maintaining this database properly, that will help you for carrying out your work more effectively. So this is the Monday desktop. I hope all of you got the brief idea about desktop. And again, it's a very user friendly. You can download, you can start using, and obviously you will feel very interesting one, and helpful also for your work. Now here, as I mentioned here, we can use this Monday for preparing your introduction and preparing your bibliography. Just now I will just try to give that demonstration. Now let's say I am opening the Professor Yogesh, I can extend for more 50 minutes more.
Hello? Yes, sir. You can.
Yeah, thank you. Now, let's say all of you can see the Word document. All of you can see the Word document?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's say I have started writing my introduction part. Okay. Let's say I am writing one sentence. This is a sentence from one of the journal, and that I need to give the citations here. So what I have to do, I have already written this sentence. Now I need to add the citations. What I will do, I will just go to my references, and then I will click on a insert citation. It will ask go to Monday, and I know from which paper I have taken. Let's say I have taken from this paper, Prajapati Hiren. So I will just go to the site. Here, site option is there. Now, formatting citations. Here it's appear what? Prajapati and Deshmukh 2019. This is a Harvard formatting. So let's say I want formatting in a IEEE. What I will do here style are there. Here you can see more than 600 different journal styles are available for giving the citation. More than 600. Let's say this is the Harvard. I want a IEEE format. What I will do, I will simply click here. I will click on a IEEE. So now it's IEEE. IEEE, as I said earlier also, during explaining the introduction, it's a square bracket and a number. So here one is appear, right? Now, but then at the end, I know that I am going to prepare the references. So I will prepare the references, right? So here I will just click on what? Go to the top, and you can click on insert bibliography. Now, your one was what? One, Hiren Prajapati, N.N. Deshmukh, paper title, journal name, volume, page number, year, and its DOI. Everything is appear, right? So if I don't want DOI, I can stop that DOI also. So this is the one format. Let's say another one is what? Nature. What I said, nature is what? Superscript. One number is superscript and one. So they see how that your life is becoming very simple. Otherwise, doing this formatting, writing short forms of journal or short forms of your or initials of the particular author, it's very difficult. Now, let's say I want to do some modification, and I realize that no, before this sentence, some other sentence to be there. So I'm writing that sentence, and I want now other citations should be inserted. So for that particular sentences, I'm going to this insert citation, go to Monday, and I'm going to other paper, right? So then again the site. Here go to Monday and site. Now let's say that one superscript appear. So now which of the documents earlier I has given a citation, it automatically become the 2. It automatically become 2, and which of the now I inserted, it is a 1. So your life will become simpler. So which of the modification you are doing, automatically it will get reflected. So here also you can see automatically in bibliography section, you will find out the 1 and 2, and all the details are available here. Now, if I want to publish with some other journal, IEEE format. Now, it's coming in a square bracket. So here, writing your introduction and writing your preparing your bibliography, it becoming easier if I am using the Monday. What I need to do, how I will get? Only what you need to do, you need to go to Monday. If you see the Monday, your tool is there. Click on a tool and install. Here, as I have already installed MS Word plugin. I have already installed MS plugin, so it's asking for me uninstall. But in your case, as a first user, it will ask install MS Word plugin. So you just click MS Word plugin. Before that, you need to stop your all Word document, and you can install Word plugin. Either when you are installing that plugin, automatically this plugin will appear in your Word document. All the Word document will have this plugin. So our life will become a very simple when we are writing any paper or a journal, and more effective way you can present.